Good day, dear friends, Kronos is saying, and this video will show you how to install Android on your computer. What is it for? I use emulator for recording quality video for YouTube, but also we can download and test new Android apps on PC, we can play our favorite Android game with keyboard, we can quickly type in various chat rooms and messengers, and many more. For all this, we need an Android emulator, that is program which simulates the Android on your computer. Most popular emulators are Droid4X, Memu, Nox and Bluestacks. In this video we will talk about Bluestacks, how to install the simulator and how to start using Bluestacks. Also, we will consider different versions of Bluestacks for the powerful and for the old computers and solve the problems which can occur during installation and using Bluestacks. So, how to install Bluestacks? If you have a powerful PC, then the easiest way is to go on www.bluestacks.com and download free the latest version. At the moment, it's version number 3. Then just run the downloaded file, and in a couple of minutes we will see Bluestacks label on desktop, which open Android on your computer. If everything works without lags and errors, then you can go to the second part of this video and start working in Bluestacks. But if your computer is not powerful enough for the latest version and you experience bugs or lags, then you can download an earlier version ranging from 0.7 to 0.10. Just for your information, Bluestacks version up to 0.10 were single tasking, and after version 0.10 Bluestacks 2 was released, and since it, all later versions are multitasking. You can find all the versions of Bluestacks in torrents. From my site, I uploaded several Bluestacks installers that I had used myself. The download links are in description of this video. If you need a root, you can use KingRoot or iRoot applications. This page, which is shown on the screen, will help you. Or just download pre-rooted installer from my uploads in description of this video. My personal opinion is that multitasking is not needed in the emulator, so I use rooted version 0.9 or 0.10. It is sufficient for gaming and video recording, and it doesn't load computer much. Now let's talk about errors which sometimes are happening during installation. The most frequent error: Bluestacks is already installed on this machine. If you had installed Bluestacks earlier, then you have to clean completely previous installations before installing the other version. This is quite complicated procedure, so I made separate video on that. And only after wiping off the previous Bluestacks you may reinstall another version of emulator. Another problem you can meet is failed to install Bluestacks. Most likely your machine is not powerful enough for current Bluestacks version. In this case, remove all traces of installation and download the earlier version of Bluestacks, as I explained before. If an error occurs with graphic card, try to update display drivers. Also, Bluestacks is sensitive to memory. It needs more than 2 GB on board. If your PC has low memory, you can try to install version 0.7, but I suppose it will lag anyway. Better change to another emulator. I will show you them in other videos. What else? Sometimes antivirus can interfere installation process. In this case, switch it off during installation and run installer and Bluestacks itself as administrator. OK, finally we found and installed the proper version, Bluestacks is working and we can go into it. This is Android operating system, so the first step is entering your Google account to make work all Google services. Add your previous Google account, or if you like, you can create your account, like in this video. Wait for account synchronization. You may restart Bluestacks for sure. Check Play Market. Voila! Everything is fine. We can download games. If game is not available in your region or you need earlier version, then there is a nice site www.apkmirror.com. You can find all games installed here. And after downloading, drag APK file to Bluestacks window. Soon the game will appear in Bluestacks. At the end, a few words about one program for Bluestacks management. I always use it with Bluestacks. It's called BStweaker. The program is small, no installation required, just unpack and run BStweaker exe. Via BStweaker, you can shut down all Bluestacks services, restart the emulator, reset to factory settings, add controls to Bluestacks window, change window size, and many other things. That's it, my friends. If you have problems with Bluestacks, describe it in comments, I will try to give you an answer. Hope I helped with an emulator. Thanks for everyone who liked this video, and many thanks for channel subscribers. This is Kronos saying, see you in next movies.